The 6th China International Import Expo will arrive after 100 days. Global companies say they have embraced new opportunities in the Chinese market through participating in the CIIE.
也开始的时候也不了解中国市场，也不知道中国消费者喜欢什么。那后来呢，我们一年比一年做得好，突破口是去年2022年的时候，我们开始做了一些，我们也参加了很多展会，也参加了进博会。目前我们是把我们的明星产品，俄罗斯著名的华夫杯冰淇淋带到中国市场。明年我们还打算增加我们其他的 SKU.
Because it gives to us the opportunity to understand how is great the passion that Chinese people have from our items. So we are really excited to have the opportunity to return in a normal way. So we imagine that it will be a great show.
More than 280 Fortune 500 enterprises and companies taking the lead in their industries have signed up for the 6th CIIE slated to be held in Shanghai from November the 5th to the 10th this year.